Hey everyone, Mike here with your monthly maintenance minute presented by Cozy Camper Mobile RV Services. Our goal is worry-free camping, and each month we bring you a quick tip to keep your RV in top shape. This month's topic is RV water heaters. RV water heaters come in two main types, tankless and tank type. Motorhome people, I hear you, I know about hydronic water heaters, but we're not discussing those today. Most new RVs are now equipped with tankless water heaters, and the maintenance for these is pretty simple. The first and easiest step is to just check and clean the inlet filter. Most tankless RV water heaters will have a little screen like this that you can remove and clean. These can become gunked up with sediment, and it's important to clean them to make sure the water is flowing adequately. The more complicated step here is to do a descaling, and this is important particularly if you're camping in areas with hard water. Every manufacturer is going to have different instructions for their descaling process, so we encourage you to check your appliance owner's manual to see what the instructions are for yours. Moving on to tank type water heaters, we recommend a thorough cleaning at least once a year. To do this, you remove the drain plug or anode rod and spray the inside with a special wand. This will help to remove sediment and other gunk from the tank. Now for this one, bring the camera in closer. A little more. There you go. If you have a Suburban brand water heater, only Suburban brand, you will need to change the anode rod about once per year. This is a good time to remove it and check its condition. And if it's significantly degraded, it's time to replace it. We typically replace ours once a year, whether it needs it or not. Now reminder, bring it in, only Suburban brand water heaters use anode rods. And if you don't put an anode rod into a Suburban, or if you put an anode rod into a different brand, you will damage that water heater. As with any repair or maintenance, we encourage you to check your owner's manual before attempting anything. If you're not sure, consult the help of a certified RV technician near you. Maintaining your RV water heater will extend its life and make sure the hot water keeps flowing. If you're new to RVing, or you just want to learn more about your RV, I encourage you to check out the Introduction to RVs course from the Cozy Camper Academy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share so your fellow RVers can enjoy worry-free camping just like you. Until next time, I'm Mike, and this has been your monthly Maintenance Minute.